Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, All Nursing MCQs. In this video, we will discuss the layers of meninges with an easy mnemonics. Welcome to 3 Minutes Classroom. Meninges. The brain and the spinal cord are covered by 3 layers of connective tissue. This covering encases central nervous system structures so that they are not in direct contact with the bone of the spinal column and skull. 3 main layers of cranial meninges include the pia mater, arachnoid mater, and the dura mater. With this easy mnemonics, you can memorize PAD, inner pia, and the middle arachnoid, and the outer dura. Dura mater is the topmost layer. It connects to the meninges to the skull and the vertebral column. It composes of tough fibrous connective tissue. 2 layers of dura mater, the inner meningeal layer and the outer endosteal layer. Then subdural space. It's a space between the dura and the arachnoid mater. It containing a thin layers of serous fluid. Then next layer is known as arachnoid matter. This region. The middle layer of the meninges connect the dura mater and the pia mater. Arachnoid matter loosely cover the brain and the spinal cord. Then subarachnoid space, the space between the arachnoid matter and the pia mater. It filled with CSF. Membrane projections from the arachnoid matter called arachnoid granulation. It extends from subarachnoid space to the dura mater. Arachnoid granulation removes CSF from the subarachnoid space and send it to the dural venous sinus, where it is reabsorbed into the venous system. The arachnoid layer is look like a spider web like structure. Then inner layer is known as pia mater, directly connected with the cerebral cortex and the spinal cord. The pia mater has a rich supply of blood vessels which provide nutrition to the nerve tissue. Pia mater contains the choroid plexus, a network of capillaries and ependymal cells that produce the CSF. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.